Hello and welcome. My name is Shanti Vishwakarma and I'm a sales manager at Kohinoor Group. Pimpri is a location which is a throne of commerce. This location is home to automobile industry, manufacturing industry as well as auxiliary unit. This location has superb connectivity which connects you to all parts of Pune, Mumbai as well as Nashik. This location is very prime in the PCMC. So this is opposite to Pimpri-Chinchwad Corporation building and next to Finolex Cable. This location offers you a very much high quality healthcare as well as high quality education in the neighborhood. This location is very perfect for all of the business person as well as senior professionals who are wanting to upgrade their home. So Kohinoor Shangri-La presents you 2 and 3 BHK home which offers you a first class upgrade. Kohinoor Shangri-La Phase 1 has 3 buildings which is already occupied with happy families. Now we are coming up with Phase 2 which will be over here. Let me take you on the tour of our amazing sample flat. So at the main door, here is a digital smart lock which will be operated by your thumb impression for your personalized security. For your security, we have also given you video door phone at the main entrance. This is a well-designed, spacious, luxurious home. I am standing in a living room right now and this is a very spacious living room which is well ventilated, which is attached to a balcony, and at this side there is your dining space area, so you can have good bond with your family while having your meals. Now I am taking you towards our kitchen. So this is our well designed kitchen which offers you a very good space so that you can keep all of your appliances in place. We are giving you 2 wash basin over here. One will be for your vegetable wash and other will be for your utensils. We are giving you dry balcony as well which will be enclosed. So all of your appliances like your washing machine will be safe from dust and rain. Now we will see our other rooms. Let's see our guest bedroom. This bedroom has dimension of 10.2 by 11.6. So it is a spacious enough for all your furnitures like your bed and wardrobe, and you get good enough space to walk around. This is a great option for your last minute guest who arrives, and this is again good option for your additional member at a family. This bedroom also has one attached washroom. Now let's have a look to our other bedrooms. This is our common bedroom. So this is a good option for your kids for a sense of independence. This bedroom also offers you an additional wardrobe space, so you can keep your wardrobe here and you can arrange your study table as well as bed alongside. Now let's go towards our master bedroom and have a look. This is our spacious master bedroom having dimension of 10 by 14. This bedroom has an attached balcony, so you can enjoy evening view, you can relax there, and this again has attached washroom to it. Luxury is not only in our home, it is also in our washrooms. So our washrooms are very spacious and has luxurious fittings which are of Jaguar. This is our living room balcony, very spacious, so you can have your evening tea as well as morning yoga session here. We are looking forward to serve you with Kohinoor signature warmth. Join us for tea and coffee at Kohinoor Shangri-La. Sada sukhi raho.